Good morning, class 6. I want to welcome you to this science lesson. Now we are still discussing about energy. We are discussing light energy. Remember, in our previous lesson we had discussed about how light travels, and we said that light travels in two ways. Number one, light travels in all directions, and number two, light travels in a straight line. We discussed how light travels in all directions. Today, I want us to discuss how light travels on a straight line. Now, there is an activity that we are supposed to carry out, and the activity shows how light travels in a straight line. The materials that we are supposed to have is a source of light, preferably a candle, then 3 hard cards. When I talk of hard cards, we can get those hard cards from boxes. For example, I made one of the cards here. This is one of the cards. So you get 3 cards, then make a hole in the center of this card. You make a hole on it. Then arrange those 3 cards on a table in a straight line. Arrange the cards on a table on a straight line. Then put one of the ends, the source of light, as I said, the candle. Then observe from the other side or from the other end. What will you be able to see if those hard cards with a hole in the center are seen through? You will be able to see light from this end. This shows that light is traveling in a straight line. Now, what makes us prove that light is traveling in a straight line? What we are supposed to do is to tilt one of the cards. So in my second diagram, I have the cards, but when you look at the arrangement of the holes, they are not on one line. One of the cards has been tilted. The hole is not at the center as the two of them. So when you observe light or the source of light from the other end, you will realize that you are not able to see any light because the middle card is blocking the light from the source through the last hard card. So the second diagram is simply proving or making us prove that light travels in a straight line. Another material you are also supposed to have are 2 identical flexible pipes. So, how will you use these pipes? Have a source of light, the way I've arranged here, then observe through one of the identical pipes without folding it. The pipe must remain straight. So without folding it, observe the source of light from one end. Now, in our first pipe, you will realize that you are able to observe light from the other end. But in a pipe that has been folded, you will not be able to see light from the other end because where the pipe is folded, that folding is blocking the light from passing through. So this is the activity that shows how light travels in a straight line. I'll say the first one is showing that light is traveling in a straight line. The second diagram is proving that it is true, it is real that light travels in a straight line. Same to the third and the fourth diagrams. So from today, we are supposed to know that light travels in a straight line. Light travels in a straight line. Thank you, and let us meet in our next lesson.